Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to make spiced lamb riblets. Wash 1 pound of lamb riblets thoroughly. If you find any membrane on the riblets, just peel it off. Then wash completely 3 to 4 times. Gently remove excess moisture from the lamb riblets using paper towel. Now in a bowl, add 1½ teaspoon red chili powder, two teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon black pepper powder, required salt, three teaspoon lemon juice or juice from half lemon, one teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and mix it all together to bind everything. Now add 1 teaspoon roasted sesame oil. If you not have this roasted, you can add normal sesame oil. Roasted sesame oil will give some strong flavor. Now mix it once again. Then add 1 teaspoon regular vegetable oil or peanut oil and mix it. Now you will get thick paste for marination. Place riblets in a baking tray. And apply the masala which we made on all riblets. Apply both sides and all parts. Cover this with aluminum foil or plastic cover and marinate this for at least 6 hours. After 6-hour marination, preheat oven for at 350 degree and put the riblets inside oven with the aluminum foil covered. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you will see the fat melted from the riblets. You can just ignore this fat. Now, transfer lamb riblets into a plate. Finally, hot spicy lamb riblets are ready to serve. Try at your home and provide your feedback in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and click on notification button to receive updates. Thanks for watching.